Hey there, my name is Tobin Carpenter, and I'm an MSP consultant at ProVal Technologies. In this video, I'm going to discuss VSA Agent Templates. Templates can be created as a placeholder for future machines or to assist in installation issues of agents that are not checking in correctly. Templates are most normally created from the domain watch process of locating and preparing an agent for deployment. To create a template, go to the Templates function and select Create. Enter the machine ID and select the group that agent should reside in and select Create. A template can be renamed, deleted, or have its group changed after its creation. A common issue is machines being unable to be moved to a specific group, but no real error as to why. In most cases, this is due to an existing template that matches the machine ID being present in the group that you're attempting to move to. But normally you can't see these due to most views removing the templates from view. In order to check for an existing, go to the agent module, the template function, go to delete. You will see a list of all your template agents depending on the view that you are filtering on. You can select the device, select delete, and then you should be able to move that machine into its group. Fast and easy today. Thank you for watching. We post a new video every week to share our knowledge in Kaseya, Data RMM, ConnectWise Automate, ConnectWise RMM, and others. Please let us know what else you'd like to see.